This is the official unboxing of the Jeep Leak Fixed Kit. Whether you're battling water entering your Jeep or just looking for a quieter ride, this kit will provide you with a solution to every single problem that your Jeep throws at you. Let's have ourselves a look at what comes inside the kit. Right on top, you'll find your welcome sheet. There's a QR code. This is your direct link to both installation resources, a fully illustrated step-by-step Google Doc, or a complete video tutorial. Whether you prefer reading or watching, we've got you covered. Let's walk through each component included in the kit. Everything you need to permanently fix leaks, silence wind noise, and restore peace of mind to your Jeep. So you have 6 proprietary Jeep noodles. You also have a blade. You have a measuring tape for quick and easy measurements, and also a plastic blade to take off some of the factory weather stripping that Jeep has provided, which is causing us a ton of problems. Okay, moving right along, you have your seal cleaner, and you also have your seal reconditioner, and also a microfiber rag to make your installation easy. And last but not least, 75 feet of proprietary body side seal. Let's dive right into the magic of the body side seal. The first thing you'll notice is that it has a super thin profile, and that is exactly what we need to bridge the gap between the body of the Jeep and the door. So here's a fact. The door gap on your Jeep is set at 5 millimeters. So if you take a look at your back door, you'll notice that the gap between the door and the body is rather small. Now look at the front of your Jeep, and what you'll notice to the top corner where the freedom panel, windshield, and door intersect is typically up there. What you'll notice is a larger gap, and that is allowing water to pass into your Jeep. So all we need to do is correct the gap that we have on the actual door without having to move or to change any of the hinges or move the bolts that are on the door to get that perfect alignment. Okay, moving right along to your accessory bag with everything that you need to go ahead and perform your installation on your Jeep. We'll go ahead and open this up right now and take out everything that's included. Let's take a look at the Jeep Noodle compression door seal boosters. These Jeep noodles are designed to restore proper door seal pressure. They're strategically placed inside your factory seals at the A pillar, B pillar, and midpoint section of your door, and reduce wind noise and improve door installation instantly. This Jeep Leak Fix Kit is the ultimate solution to keeping your Jeep dry and quiet. Satisfaction guaranteed, or your leaks and money back.